procrastination is avoidance. So we have this lovely bird here telling us that avoidance is the best short-term strategy to escape conflict and the best long-term strategy to ensure suffering. So yeah, basically is that when we are faced with unpleasant tasks, sort of like doing the dishes, washing our car, emptying the drying machine, that those are tasks that feel uncomfortable and unpleasant and can cause us feelings like stress, inadequacy, or fear. So instead of doing that, we opt for other activities that we feel are more productive, easier to do, or more enjoyable. So rather than working on the important task, we spend our time led astray by the visceral rewards of the present. So this looked like me trying to do this presentation and suddenly thinking of arranging my desk, or watering the plants, or like fixing my board over here. So yeah, it's exchanging those really uncomfortable tasks for something that feels more pleasant. So procrastination often prefer pleasure over progress, which is true. And in my case, this can look like me thinking that it's unpleasant to have someone rejecting my calls, or do my pitch and have someone not liking it or saying they are not interested, or get someone feeling angry with me because I interrupt them in the middle of a very important meeting, right? And taking it personal and taking it's me and I'm the reason. Me personally are the reason they hate me. They hate me. So if you catch yourself procrastinating because of avoidance, you have to take the idea out of your mind that it needs to feel comfortable in order for you to do it. It's the very famous phrase, get comfortable being uncomfortable. It's unrealistic that every single task you do with your life has to be perfectly comfortable. Sometimes there's uncomfortable things to do. Um, and think of your future self. You will have to complete the task anyway at some point. So why not doing it now? Probably even the more you put it off, it's gonna get harder and it's gonna be in your head ruminating. So why not do it now? And focus first on those unpleasant tasks, take them out of the way, and then reward yourself. You are allowed to reward yourself. So either take a break or move to a more enjoyable activity.